AUTOMET women's oversized leather jackets, zip-up coats for fall and winter fashion. 2024. Materials: crafted from 68% PU, 27% polyester, and 5% cotton, this jacket offers a comfortable and warm option for stylish outfits during the cooler months. Design: featuring long sleeves, a full zip-up front, and a trendy oversized silhouette, this faux leather jacket includes convenient side pockets, making it perfect for both teen girls and women. Match: ideal for spring, fall, and winter, this versatile jacket pairs effortlessly with a basic t-shirt and jeans for a laid-back look. It's a must-have outerwear piece for any wardrobe, suitable for various occasions. Occasion: whether you're heading out for daily activities, going on a date, hitting the club, or attending school and parties, this oversized leather coat adapts to your style. Match it with anything to achieve a fashionable look throughout the seasons. Easy maintenance: this women's bomber jacket is low maintenance. Simply wipe it with a soft cloth and water to keep it looking fresh and in great condition for long wear.